Rando is here, and tonight we have a special fireworks novelty demo for you from Brothers Pyrotechnics, or really what a lot of us just say, Brothers Fireworks. And you can see here, this is the M1, it's called here Abrams tanks. Look at these. Oh yeah. We're going to do some tank wars tonight. Now, I don't remember if it cost me $12. I don't think it did. I think it was a lot cheaper than that. I got it on sale somewhere. But you can see here, 2 pieces. Check that out, right? Pretty cool, right? Later on, we're gonna, there it is, look. Light fuse and get away! All right, so tonight, tank warfare. Where? BBQ Rando Land. We'll be back. All right, Pyros around the world. He's back, Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
All right, Sergeant Pyro is here, and with his extensive background in the United States military. What do you think, Sergeant Pyro? You think we're going to have a good experience tonight?
I think we're getting ready to have a great ground assault.
Let's go! All right, we're going to make our way down to the street pad. This is live, people. Sergeant Pyro is back. Remember, we got 2 of them to do tonight. All right, there he goes. Okay. There we go. There we go. Launch! Whoa! Whoa!
Awesome!
Not bad. Not bad. Tank 1. Let's get the other and see if we can take the other tank. Blow up this one. All right, take 2. Whoa. Tank warfare, people. Whoa!
Taking out the A1 Abrams.
Oh yeah, holding nothing back, people. This is war! I think we're clear. How did we do, Sergeant Pyro? The mission?
It was a success.
Whoa! BBQ!